Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. Thanks for tuning in today. I know I've been a little bit distant and that has been the case for the past 6 months or so, and I appreciate you guys being so patient and understanding while I go through a lot of life changes. It has been a crazy past month. The condo is just about ready, which you will see in this video. I'm super excited to share what we've created because it's honestly surreal at this point. Like, it doesn't feel real yet, and as I'm filming this we are less than a month away from the wedding, so that's another crazy thing happening. But I wanted to start off by sharing the treatments that I've been getting on my face with Project Skin MD. I've been struggling with spots on my skin as a result of acne, so basically just the marks that are left after the pimple has disappeared. I've struggled with that for probably 2 years now, and I've gone through a variety of treatments. I've tried a lot of different skincare, and although the products that I use, the skincare helps, it's not a quick fix, and it definitely takes months and months for progress to show. So I wanted to share with you guys what I'm getting done in case you have a similar skin concern. So I'm just gonna tell you guys like the different types of marks that you can get on your skin after you've had acne. So the very first one and most common obviously is acne scarring, but that is not what I've been dealing with on my face. So acne scarring is basically when the breakouts penetrate your skin really deeply, which damages literally the tissue and the skin beneath it. So when the acne clears, the body tries to repair the damage, and if there is too much or too little collagen, it can leave a mark. So that is then when you see the scarring. Post-inflammatory erythema, which is what I've been treating on my skin, is a little bit different. So it's more common in people with lighter skin tones, and they show up as red, pink, or purple spots caused by dilation, inflammation, or damage to the small blood vessels that are known as like capillaries that reside under the skin. So they are different from scars in the sense that it's not the tissue, it's actually the blood vessel that is being affected. And the treatment that I've been getting is vascular laser. So you can hear it in the name. It's basically a light beam that targets the spot, which then damages it, and the skin, or sorry, the body like actually dissolves and absorbs that damage, and then the spot slowly starts to disappear. I don't know if I explained that in the perfectly scientifically correct way, but I do have more information on my Instagram page, which I've run by the Project Skin MD clinic, so you can check that out. I will link it down below. But basically I've been getting treatments every 4 weeks or so. So I just had my 3rd session, I think it's 3 weeks ago now, and this is the result. So I do have some acne flare up right now just due to stress, possibly diet as well, but all of the small marks that were on my chin and on my cheeks, they have lightened significantly. And to be totally transparent, I should probably get maybe 1 or 2 more sessions just so that they can completely disappear, but I am very happy with how the treatment has made them so much lighter that when I put makeup on, you really like can't see any spots at all. So that's really great. Now I'm going to show you the clip of exactly how this treatment works, and it's super simple. It is very painless in my opinion. I had like a cooling air tube that I was just, you know, blowing on my face while the treatment was being done. So it's very comfortable and it doesn't hurt at all, and I do have like a very low pain tolerance. I will link Project Skin MD's website down below, as well as a couple of resources about post-inflammatory erythema and how vascular laser can help. As you can see, the skin is quite red after the treatment. Usually for me, this goes away within like 30 minutes. And we're gonna do an LED light now just to kind of kill any acne bacteria that is under the skin. I do have quite a few bumps like under my skin, and they basically just appear as texture. So that's what we're targeting We want to clear this up for the wedding. That is the goal, but we'll see. Hello friends, I am back in the apartment and I'm ready to show you some updates. I honestly can't remember what I updated you guys on last, but a lot has happened since then, and in this vlog particularly, there are going to be a lot of fun things coming to fruition. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you guys, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing here, I think I showed this to you, is that the floors are now leveled and all of the rubble has been fixed. Second of all, the walls are completely painted and ready to go. Ceilings are flat and we've got pot lights, people. It makes such a huge difference. Look how much brighter it is in here. So we've still got 2 more lights. I'm waiting for another shipment of pot lights, which is why those ones aren't done. We're gonna add 1 more up here. And the bathroom hasn't been touched yet, but we also have new pot lights in the master bedroom. Like, this room looks so much better in white, and it's starting to feel real for sure. So we've got 6 pot lights in here because originally there were none. And then we go into the hallway and we've got 4 more. And it honestly just modernized the space so much. I'm gonna put my own light fixture up here. I haven't chosen one yet, but this room pretty much is ready to have the flooring put in. And nothing else has been done in here, but the walls are ready. The ceiling up here is done. So this is how it's gonna look when we move in. Somehow I need to take the scaffolding down now. I might have to wait for my brother's help, but I am here basically just to take some measurements for the baseboards. We gotta know how much we need in linear feet. And I'm also here to take a measurement of the bathroom because we need to put our tile order in for the showers and the floor. And yeah, I just wanted to come and update you guys. So that's pretty much all that's been done. And I will see you in a few days with another exciting update. All of our kitchen cabinets have arrived, and honestly, it looks like so much when it's just in piles like this, but it's coming together. I'm very excited. Okay, a little progress update. So our cabinet install guy was here yesterday, and I think he's coming back today to finish up the kitchen, but this is what we've got so far. So the boxes are in. We have drawers, people. This is where the microwave and warming drawer are going to be. And then our fridge will be right here. This is gonna be our dishwasher. This is where the sink is gonna go. Just drawers, countertop space. And then this is where our coffee machine is gonna be going. And this is where the oven is gonna be. And then we've got a cooktop that's going on top. And we'll have some counter space there, as well as all over here. We're on top of the dishwasher. So it's coming together. It kind of feels weird in here. Like, it feels much smaller, obviously, but I think once all of the white doors and drawer fronts are on, it's gonna look so good. I'm currently in our kitchen. It is coming together. We have some flooring down, which I'm very excited to show you, and I learned how to do electrical. So I've been changing all of our light switches, the outlets, like the plugs, and putting transformers into the kitchen for our puck lights, which are the lights that are underneath the cabinets, which has been interesting, but there are so many, and obviously you have to be like very patient because you're working with wires. So it's been a learning curve for sure, but it's kind of cool that I know how to do that now, I guess. So yeah, that's kind of what we've been up to. We have doors as well, and this week we are going to be finishing the floors. Our baseboards are going to be put in. We're going to have casings put around the doors. What else? Oh, our kitchen countertops are coming in tomorrow, so that is super exciting. I've got a lot of work to do still. We also have to give the place a deep clean, so our work is definitely cut out for us, but it definitely feels real now. So this is what it looks like. Finally, I have a floor to show you guys. Okay. I did that. We have a door in the bathroom. This is what the middle stage is of the bathroom demo. So obviously we have no sink, no toilet, no shower, and this all is the waterproofing for the shower. It's quite a process. I was amazed at how they did this. It was actually just one guy who did it, but I'm very excited because it is going to look so good. And then in here, just storage, but we've got flooring in there. Come to the master, we have another door. We do have pot lights in, but the light switch in here is not connected properly right now, so that's gonna be hopefully dealt with tomorrow. But we have our entire floor in here, which is pretty cool. We can move furniture in now, which is great, so that is a huge step forward. And then in the office, we also have floor. We also have my light fixture. I got this one from IKEA. Right now the light bulbs are cool lighting, but we're gonna switch those to warm lighting. And then I just chose this one from IKEA for the closet because it'll be nice to be able to like point things at the different whatever dressers and coat racks that I have in here. So it's looking good and there's not much change. Like the flooring ends here and they're gonna finish it up tomorrow. But we have a light in the dining room, and I also did these switches so they can dim or make it brighter. So that's pretty cool. And that's pretty much it. Oh wait, the kitchen. This is the kitchen. We'll have flooring in here tomorrow, and we will also have our countertop and backsplash. We're gonna have our sink put in. And we're also going to start putting the appliances in. So once the flooring is done here, the dishwasher can go in as well as the fridge that goes right there. We went for a matte white finish. So all of these are just protective covers and they look shiny right now, but it's going to look a little bit different once those are off. And we have so much storage, you guys. So this is where the microwave and warming drawer will go. This is just going to be a little nook with countertop there. This is going to be countertop, open shelf concept, cooktop, oven. This is also going to be free countertop space. We have our coffee nook in here. So our coffee machine will sit right there and we'll have whatever we need down there. Countertop space again. This is where we'll keep our plates and bowls. And then this is where the sink goes and the dishwasher. Oh, and we have a really skinny cabinet too to store like cutting boards and baking sheets and things like that. I just basically figured out how I wanted it to be laid out, and we did kind of keep some of the pre-existing layout that they had previously. So the sink was here, the fridge was also in that spot, and their oven was on that side. It was just in this box instead of here. So we did move a couple of things around, but I really wanted to like maximize the storage but also make it feel very minimal and clean. So obviously that's why we went for the white cabinets, and it worked out pretty nicely. I'm excited to see it with the countertops. So this is the countertop. It's like a really light gray. I'll show you in the light. Really light gray with like white veining. It's a little bit dirty, but it's gonna look so good. And that's also what the backsplash is gonna be. It's pretty much exactly what I wanted in a countertop. And we had originally chosen something that looked more like a marble, but then we realized that because the veining was so big and this is pretty small of a kitchen space, it might look overwhelming. So we decided to go with that one. So it ended up being the original one that I saw and really liked. So that was pretty cool. But Jared is away for school these next 2 weeks. So again, I'm here like every day, but I'm really enjoying it now because I can see the progress. So it's definitely coming together, and I will see you guys in the next update. is about to see the apartment for the very first time, so we're gonna film his reaction. Okay, come in.
Oh. Wow. Wow. Look at our floors. Look at our, oh gosh, where's no handles?
Yeah, we're gonna put the handles on tomorrow.
Wow.
Oh, he plugged it in.
Look at
The most important part.
awesome, dude.
Wait. Let me turn this on.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I see all the lighting and everything. What happened here?
We're putting another slab there. I mean, a little piece as a backsplash. All the way up to the cabinet.
Oh, okay. Sweet.
You're gonna be cooking. I'm gonna be cleaning.
That's awesome. It's really good.
Do you believe that we own this?
You guys have seen the before. I know. I can't believe it yet. Can't wait till
JR hated the line that we had all around, so it's finally covered.
damn, it's clean.
It's so clean.
Are we keeping this?
We have to put transitions there. Yeah, we're keeping that. And this is gonna be, we're taking this out and it's gonna be replaced with like a countertop and a little lip here. Probably similar to that, so that it matches.
Yeah.
Or even just like,
And you're seeing transition from here to here, right?
yeah, like a little wood piece, right?
Nice. Homeowners, everyone. Homeowners.
Okay, if you've made it to the end of this vlog, thank you so much for watching. I know it was a mishmash of things that were going on, but I did just want to, you know, record and keep all the good things as memories and share a little bit of it with you. I'm still trying to decide if I want to continue vlogging everything as JR and I move into the apartment, just because I might need like just some time to like get into new routines with him and all of that. But I do promise that once all this craziness is over, I will get back to a regular posting schedule, and I can't wait to start filming the videos that I used to love filming for you guys, like fashion, outfits, and all that good stuff. But you guys have been so understanding throughout all of this, and I really appreciate you. If you have not done so already, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. It would be really helpful for me, and hit that subscribe button too if you're not subscribed already. I do try to post 2 videos a month, and I've got a lot of old content that you can watch as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.